go over how to draw Bryson from Haminations. But this is going to be a little bit more of a serious expression, okay? It's just going to be the head. It's going to be real simple, all right? So you can do it with me. Very, very simple. Let's get started. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to go over, and I'm going to draw an S curve. Just like an S curve across the page right here. So something like that, right? You can make it more extreme. You can make it less extreme. It's not really that big of a deal. That line's a little dark, right? Let me get a fresher marker here. All right. And as it goes down, you know, maybe about yay, a little bit, could be halfway between here. We're going to draw a line from here to here. Like so. So far, so good, right? We're doing it simple, easy. Going to go over here to this side, and I'm going to draw a circle right here. So I'm going to start from this side, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw like a circle all the way to this point. And you could do it slowly, because I know a circle is kind of hard, I think, especially when you're doing marker. So you could do it in sections. So right now we're going to go over here, we draw a curve. Right? We're just drawing that curve, right? You can take your time. You don't have to, there's no rush. Maybe keep it going, the curve. Right? You can start the other side. Try to get them to meet. We're just taking our time over here. And just do what you can. Do your best. Doesn't have to be exact. You know, that's close enough, right? Kind of has that slight egg look. But it, you know, it works. It works really well. That's all we need right now. So good. So far, so good. Okay, cool. Let's go over here. Pull up. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you like this sort of thing. It's fun to do those. Gonna go over here, curve up. For the hair, that's literally another small S curve. Gonna pull in just a bit here, and then we're gonna pull out right there, and like a little bit of a seesaw shape. Down over here, and it's another S curve. Something like that. And these are just approximate, these S curves, as far as how long and how wide and all that stuff. So don't get too bogged down with it. It's nothing to really overthink. We're just kind of doing it here. Nothing too wild or exciting. I'm going to pull up over here. Down. Out over here. And we're going to try to make it meet up right there on the edge of that hair. Alrighty. Again, so far, you're doing well, doing good. We're all having a good time just hanging out. Now, this is underneath his hair, right? This is like his hair kind of thing. So underneath it, we're just going to have lines going down. So curve line down, just like a slight curve. Looks like a wave, right? Underneath a wave. Very, very simplistic kind of wave right there. All right. Are we good? Cool. See, this line needs to be a little bit. This line, sorry, I used that first marker on this line right there, so it's a little bit dry. There we go. Feel free to go do that to any of your lines if you need to. And now this one, we're going to give him a serious face. So we're going to draw a circle, and it's gonna be right in the way right there. Circle right there. Over here on this side. Try to make it as close as you can to the other circle size. And we're going to fill those in totally dark right now. We got to do it right now together. If you're using a regular pencil, it's probably going to be a lot easier, I would think. Just kind of depends on, you know, by the way, if you're using these markers, use them next to a window. These things are kind of bad for you if you breathe them in. You don't want to do that. You want to do it next to a window, or at least an open area in general, where you're not having to, like, you know, smell this marker and stuff like that. So, all right, I'm gonna go over here, right here in this area. Same thing on this side. Gonna fill this in as well. These do look better filled in. I've kind of toyed with them, you know, where maybe you can draw them not totally filled in, but I just think they work so much better filled in. Yeah, good stuff. Let me know if you're a fan of Bryson or anything like that. I want to hear what you have to say in the comment section. Or is there like another pose you want me to draw of Bryson from Haminations, right? Your requests are what fuel the channel. I want to hear what you have to say, obviously. Um, or do you think maybe like drawing the circle is impossible? Is that what you think? All right. So we have that. And now we want to give him like a serious expression, right? Serious. So we're going to go right here. Maybe draw a line at the edge. Maybe draw a line at the edge over here. We're going to pick our edge. And I'm going to try to connect those lines right there. Just kind of a straight, like what's happening line. Like what is this? Like what is going on here, right? We have that serious expression. So far, so good. And now we're going to do one more thing. And this is the last thing. It's the most important thing. We're going to draw a thick line right there, just on the outside to get this more animated looking. It gives... It's super important, but it's really easy, right? If you need to turn the paper to kind of give it a little bit of a thicker line around the edge, right? See how it already gives it a different look right there? Sorry if I have my hand in the way, but start drawing a thicker line. Doesn't have to be super thick, just a little bit thicker. But you can make it really thick, I guess, if you want. It does give it that little bit of a sticker appearance, right? It makes it look like some sort of sticker in your sketchbook or in your page. So definitely flood me with suggestions. I'm coming up with new suggestions for the channel. I want to draw a lot more stuff, so I need your suggestions. Put up anything you can think of, write it in the description. I'll try to figure it out. Just no matter how silly you think it is or if I've done it before or any of that, just write it in there. Write like 10 of them. Write a bunch of them. I'm not joking. And then I'll probably do them. This was right here. This was a suggestion. I'd already drawn him, Bryson, but this pose basically was a suggestion. All right, we're almost done here, and then we're gonna move on here. So 1 second. Right there. You can feel the end right here. Come on. Yeah. Right on. Check out the cool stuff in the description, by the way. There's a lot of fun stuff to do. There's a cute drawing ebook as well. I know a lot of people asked about that. Very, very simple. Very, very free. So go take a look at that in the description. All right. That is it. I want to thank you very much. Well, you know what? Let me make this line a little bit more. There we go. It's going to match it because it was a little bit dry from before. All right. You got it. You're amazing. I want you to stay here. We're going to go through another drawing lesson right now. So stay right there. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.